Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Today, I will show you how to add an AirTag to your iPhone so you can track your stuff in seconds. Let's jump right in. For this, you will need an iPhone that is running recent version of iOS. You will also need Bluetooth and location services turned on your device. And you will need your AirTag. That's it. Take the AirTag out of the box and make sure to remove the paper-like cover from it. Pull out the paper from the AirTag so it turns on. After removing the paper packaging from the AirTag, bring it close to the iPhone. The iPhone will detect it automatically. A pop-up will appear on the screen with the AirTag animation. Here, tap on the Connect option. Now choose a name for your AirTag. Assign it to your Apple ID and wait for the setup to finish. Once your new AirTag has been added to your iPhone, you can open the Find My app and go to the Items tab. You will find your new AirTag here. Tap it to see location, play sound on it, or enable Lost Mode. If you are unable to add AirTag to your iPhone, then follow these steps. If you don't see the pop-up, turn Bluetooth off and on or restart your iPhone. If Find My isn't enabled on your device, you will be prompted to turn it on. AirTag requires an Apple ID to register. Make sure you're signed in on your iPhone. Once everything is up and running, stick it to your keys, slip it in a bag or put it on your luggage, and that's it. Your item is tracked. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.